Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of this booster Ridge Triceratops 980 gear needle. But yeah, another dinosaur type of bay. Really interesting to see how this guy looks. Let's go. Got that. I will be getting the rest of it, but these guys I mainly got for this for right now. Oh shit. Yeah. Okay, there we go. That's actually really cool. Very similar to the other one is the Sphinx or Sphinx Bay. There's the QR code. Sorry, my allergies have been acting up lately. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, pretty much the exact same parts. But yeah. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.